Dear students, I am your teacher from Government Girls High School, Wilgam. You know that these days I am sharing with you things from your social science subject for 8th class. We have a topic under discussion, that is human resources. It is from the geography part of your subject. We have discussed so many things in accordance with our syllabus. Today I am going to tell you in this regard that what is the growth of population in the world, how it has changed, and what was it before some years in the near past. I will be telling you. We see the population of the world in 8000 BC was estimated to be only about 8 million. The population during 1750 AD was estimated to be about 750 million. We know that 1750 AD was the period of Industrial Revolution. From 750 million in 1750, the population increased to 1.2 billion in 1900 in 150 years. In just another 100 years, the world population has increased to 6 billion. During last 40 years, the world population has doubled from 3 billion to 6 billion. This is how the population is growing in the world. And this way we see, in the light of this data available this time here with me, we see that the world population has increased rapidly. There were so many changes. Keeping those changes aside, I'm directly telling you that in this course of time, the world population has increased rapidly. When we see growth of population in India, the birth rate during 1901 11 was 49. This means for every 1,000 population, 49 children were born during that period. During the same period, the death rate was 43, which means for every 1,000 people, 43 persons died. The natural growth rate was 6. This means only 6 people increased for every 1,000 people during 1901 to 11. During 1981 to 91, the birth rate was 31, whereas the death rate was 11. And the natural growth rate was 20. The increase in natural growth rate NGR increased from 6 in 1911 to 18 in 1998. This is the reason for population increase in India. The growth rate increased to 24 in 1961. At present, it is 19. We see in the light of this data how the population in India increased rapidly. Food facilities were made available, medical facilities, the death rate of children was controlled. So there was an increase in the natural growth rate. It's why the population in India also increased rapidly. This way, in the light of this data, you can understand that how the world population increased, remained increasing, and how the population of India is under increase from previous time. I hope that this will help you in understanding the population trends of the world and of our country. I will also discuss other things related to this in the next classes. And with that, we'll finish this chapter. We will enter into the next chapter. For today, it is sufficient. I'll be leaving you with an advice that try to understand these things, remember these things, and prepare yourselves for the forthcoming examinations. Have a nice day. Thank you.